One. Welcome to Red Plumber Obby. And this is part 4. Part 3 was too long. And I think this is the last stage. No. No. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. This might be a long. The reason why I'm not posting this in one full video is because if there's a mistake, I'd have to remake the full video. And also I don't want a 50-minute video. Thought this obby was only gonna be 30 minutes long, but no, it's probably gonna be 50. Oh. Let's go. Oh, I'm not the king of the world yet. No. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. Oh. Oh, that is not good. Oh, that just sliced me in half. No. Ah! I died. Okay, we gotta do this and I pressed the jump button. Okay, I want to beat Bow Wow's castle. Or the big bag of Bow, I think his name was. I can't remember if his name was Bow Wow or just Bow. No. So yeah, subscribe. Subscribe. I'm not forcing you to or anything, but tell me if you think that the cookie, the one filter, is brain rotted, because I've seen it in a lot of brain rotted videos. I'm just like, what is that? Oh, I'm back. Oh. Yes, let's go. No, oh, that's good. I thought I was gonna have to restart the whole level. Okay. Oh, sorry, I was thinking about One Piece. That's why I was so quiet. But, Ow. That's not very nice. I feel like they should make an Among Us movie, but I already made one. You know what? I'll make it like an actual Among Us movie. It's not just me talking while playing Among Us. I'm also thinking about how Morse code could be mistaken for mouse code. Oh, so that's the big bad bow. No. You know what? This big bad bow looks like a big bad dummy. Oh! Oh! I'm so close to being the big bad bow. And yes, this is how I'm spending my summer, playing video games. No! No! I didn't touch anything. Okay, I have 10 minutes to beat this game. And save Princess Pink. Not Princess Peach, Princess Pink. And once I save Princess Pink, I will, oh, big bad bow boss fight. I did it, and goodbye, big bad bow. I mean, Bow Wow. You did it. You beat Bow Wow. Thank you for playing. Mushy plushie. No, I did it. Yeah. Bye, everyone.